Welcome to the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. Here's the seafood news for the week of November 5th, 2012. In this episode of the Market Insight, we look at the final two active chum fisheries of 2012. Both Washington State and British Columbia continue to harvest chum salmon. Both fisheries are expected to continue as late as the end of November, with hatchery and terminal fisheries being the majority of the late November production. Washington State chum salmon production is in peak production, with suppliers reporting large volumes of fish being harvested. Prices have been stable over the past week, ranging from 95 cents to $1.05 for good meat color fish and 75 cents to 95 cents for pale meat color fish. These prices are 50 to 60 cents lower than 2011 pricing. Current trend shows sales volumes increasing, which is a good sign for processors. The largest market continues to be China, who are purchasing large volumes of fish for further processing. Processors are reporting that the product is selling and shipping quickly and inventories are not building. Despite low prices for headed and gutted fish, processors continue to pay up to 75 cents a pound for whole round fish of all grades. Strong chum roe prices are driving grounds prices to the fishermen. Finished chum caviar is selling at $25 a pound US and green roe at $8 a pound US. British Columbia fishing for chums is winding down, with some limited production coming from hatchery and late run river harvests. Grounds prices in BC are hovering around 45 cents a pound, reflecting much higher logistics cost to get fish to processing plants from remote fishing grounds. Canadian processors are also taking advantage of the strong chum roe market, reporting they aren't able to meet current demand and foresee overall shortages. Prices for BC chums are similar to Washington State chums, with BC packers also reporting brisk sales for all grades of chum. Both BC and Washington State chums are non-MSC certified at this point. As of Friday, November 2nd, MSC had not revised its status certification of BC chums. Many of you who have been following the weekly Market Insight will recall that BC chum salmon is very close to certification. Stakeholders expected the certification to be complete in early September. However, it has not yet happened. A final note on these fisheries is the chum salmon sizing. Washington and BC chums are large this season. 15% are 4 to 6 pound, 40% 6 to 9 pound, and 45% 9 pounds plus. There is a market shortage on 4 to 6 pound fish, with many program buyers finding it difficult to purchase enough volume of the smaller sized fish. Conversely, there is a market surplus for 9 pound plus fish, with processors having a hard time finding markets for the large volume of 9 pound plus. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Reierson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.